So everybody, welcome back to another video, and today, these two engines here, originally it was going to be free, but, so I have the cars lined up here, and they're going to come, and, pull forward and then back up, and, I got some of the, trailers scattered around. We got Bigfoot climbing. And I got one windmill there and then another windmill there. And I know I said I promised this video on Tuesday, but yeah, so, oh yeah, and also on when I did the video on Monday, which was the update video, I forgot to mention these signs here. Yeah, it says railroad crossing caution and then railroad crossing stop, look and listen. And if you hear something in the background, it's just the fan. I hate that fan because it's so loud. Yeah. But anyway, let's get started. It's going to be a little bit harder. I just like this engine. Oh yeah, not too long ago I actually seen this engine go past here. Yeah, I didn't know it was coming, so I couldn't film it. And then it came by. Oh yeah, if my filming's a little bit bad, it's not my fault because where I normally had my controllers at, yeah, so underneath is all cleared out now, and where I had my controllers out here, the chair is now gone, so now I have to, like, hold it like this, so it's kind of annoying, especially when I'm trying to film, but yeah, so. That, there we go, and I'm sorry for a shaky camera, like I said, I'm holding the controller while I'm trying to hold the camera, so, yeah, so, this train has the New Pennsylvania coal car, Union Pacific boxcar, Chicago Northwestern boxcar, the Sioux Line boxcar, the Virginian Stone car, ATSF flat car, and then a Great Northern boxcar, and then a tanker car, and then FMC Chemicals hopper car, and yeah. Oh yeah, this one here, and that one there, I had to fix up because they were, well, these two were missing wheels. I got the wheels back on. And then this one was missing a coupler, so I put a new coupler on it. And then that one back there had a coupler on it, but it wasn't a good coupler, so I replaced it. And yeah, anyway. And I'm not sure if I'm like yelling into the camera, because like if I'm talking loud enough so you can hear me because the fan's so loud. But anyway, let's begin. The speed I normally go at is around 50, maybe 55, which dang it. Yeah. I forgot some of the train. Anything on the track? No, he's not. Okay. Okay, so oh yeah, the couple on this, yeah, this boxcar here is kind of too high in one end, but it still, stays together, but, like, if I push it back, then it'll, like, stay in, like, one way, or, like, whatever, but it still works, so, anyway, yeah. Dang it. So it likes the couple better on curves. Okay, good to know. Yeah, so everything should be okay now. Oh yeah, what I like about this long train that I have set up is when it goes through the mountain here, like it goes through the tunnel. Because the end is like some over there, and then the engines are like over here. So there's the engines, there's the end. That's really cool. Oh yeah, also another thing too is just waiting until the train comes back through. Oh! Yeah, that's super close to that. But, anyway, what else? Oh yeah, we put some spikes in the middle here, so, like, personally, I like it, but, yeah. Because it gives it some character, and it's not, like, all gray. There's, like, yeah. Oh, yeah, and the steam engine is upstairs. So, in case you're wondering where the steam engine went, it's, upstairs. And, yeah. That's basically all that's new. I have the intermodal train set up here. I might run that again soon. But yeah. Yeah. And trying to back this up into here again is going to be fun. Because, some of the stuff wants to derail, so yeah. But anyway, this is all for this video. And yeah, anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and if you want to see it get completed, because it honestly ain't completed yet. We're more than halfway there. By looking at the table and seeing all that's what's done, we're over like halfway. Because halfway mark I want to say is like here. I could be longer, but yeah. Oh yeah, and also set up the playground area. Yeah. But anyway, see you in the next video. And wait until the train goes through completely. Alright, and bye.